What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today I'm going to show you where the fuel pump is located on this Jeep Patriot, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so today I'm working on a 2007 Jeep Patriot. This is how the Patriot looks on this body style right here. This is a 2.4 4-cylinder engine, but I'm just going to show you where the fuel pump is located. That way it's simpler for you guys to get to this fuel pump. It's actually going to be under the back seat. That's the front of it right there. This is the back seat. Doesn't have a third row right there, but that is the back seat. So to remove the back seat, it has two bolts, one right here and one on the other side. They're going to be T55s. Here, let me show you. There it goes. They're T55s to remove. So you have the two brackets to remove there, and then all you do is pull the seat straight up, and then you can pull it out. What I do, usually put them upside down right there on the roof. And then this is where the fuel pump is gonna go. It's covered by this black plastic piece right there, and then it has this one here. So all you gotta do is pull this one back, hold it in place, then you remove this one, and that's where the fuel pump goes. As far as to remove this fuel pump, it's really simple. Just like any other fuel pump, it has this ring. We're gonna twist the ring counterclockwise. We're gonna hit it in some of these notches here. If you don't have the special tool, you can just hit it on these notches counterclockwise. It's gonna pop out. We have just one connector, which is this gray one right here, and then one fuel line going in. That's it. And then we're just gonna replace it. We're gonna put the new one in. All right guys, so there you go. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to get to that fuel pump in the back. That way you guys can replace it or test it, whatever you guys need to do to it. But it's right there, very simple. You can get to it in 10-15 minutes. Test it out. If you need one, go ahead and replace it while you're there. Pretty simple. All right guys, so I really hope this video helps somebody out. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.